Once all insulation has been fitted, it's time for the flooring. Start by laying a section of flooring onto the base, as detailed in the instructions, with the printed side facing up. Lay the first piece level with the edge of the base section. You'll need to measure and trim down the flooring sections to fit your bespoke conservatory. The boards fit together, and the connecting edge should be glued. Use the offcut for the next run of flooring. Once the flooring is cut to size, pre-drill and then secure using the 45mm self-tapping screws. Now you could work across the base section from one side to the other, measuring, cutting and installing as you go. Once the flooring is complete, cover with a suitable polythene sheet, ensuring it overlaps the base section to keep the flooring clean and dry during the rest of construction.